Hi, today for the Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button here on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint unlock method works here so fast and correct. I just with a simple touch and not pressing the power button, I just simply touch it. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.